Love, suspense and twists. Here are the top 10 perfect thriller K-dramas that'll keep you hooked from start to finish. Let's dive in. 10. Pyramid Game. What if Squid Game took place in an all-girls high school? In Pyramid Game, the students at Bacchus Girls High School participate in monthly popularity votes, deciding their social rankings. The lowest ranked girl becomes the target of bullying until the next vote. Transfer student Seong Soo Ji finds herself at the bottom of the social ladder upon arrival and quickly discovers how brutal the system is. Determined to end the game, she stands up to back Ha-rin, the reigning queen bee, in this intense and thought-provoking drama. 9. The Bequeathed. In this thriller, Yoon Seo-ha inherits her family's burial site after her estranged uncle's death. Her life spirals into chaos as mysterious deaths begin to surround her, including that of her husband. As detectives delve into these incidents, long-buried family secrets come to light. The series balances horror-like atmospheres with emotional depth, though some viewers feel it reveals its secrets too early. Available on Netflix, this drama is a chilling exploration of grief, family, and dark legacies. 8. The Worst of Evil. Set in the 1990s, this crime thriller stars Ji Chang-wook as Park Joon-mo, a rural police officer who goes undercover in a notorious drug ring led by Young Gi-chul played by Wai Ha-joon, a DJ turned crime boss. Unbeknownst to Joon-mo, his wife Yoo Yui-young played by I.M. Se-mi, a detective, also joins the mission, concealing her past connection to Gi-chul as his first love. Packed with intense action, emotional tension, and raw performances, the series dives deep into the dangerous world of undercover operations and fractured relationships. 7. Parasite, The Grey. Based on the famous manga, the sci-fi drama depicts a world invaded by parasitic aliens that take over human bodies. Jeng Soo-in, a grocery clerk, survives an attack when a parasite fails to control her, leaving her part human, part parasite. Meanwhile, gangster Sol Kang-woo searches for his missing sister, and a military team, led by Choi Joon-kyung, battles the alien threat. With a mix of action, suspense, and emotional depth, this adaptation is a must-watch for sci-fi enthusiasts. 6. Moving. This superhero drama follows parents with hidden powers and their children who inherit them. As the families try to live normal lives, their peace is shattered when Frank, played by Ryu Sung-bum, a relentless spy, begins hunting them. With a cast that includes Zo In-sung, Ha Hyo-joo, and Yoo Sung-ryong, the series seamlessly weaves emotional family stories with thrilling action. Acclaimed for its heartfelt narrative and stunning visuals, Moving has become one of Asia's standout dramas. 5. Wonderful World. Yoon Soo-hyun, played by Kim Nam-joo, is a successful professor whose life is destroyed when her son dies in a hit-and-run accident. Consumed by grief, she takes revenge by killing the driver and ends up in prison. While serving her sentence, she befriends Jung Hyung-ja, another inmate with a tragic past. Meanwhile, Soo-hyun's husband uncovers a conspiracy involving the driver and a corrupt presidential candidate. This gripping drama explores themes of loss, justice, and redemption, delivering powerful performances and an emotional narrative. 4. Weak Hero Class 1. This action-packed drama shows the harsh realities of high school, including bullying and pressure to succeed. Yoon Si-yoon, played by Park Ji-hoon, is a smart but quiet student who only cares about getting into the best university. Even though he's physically weak, he doesn't back down from bullies. When he can't fight them off alone, he finds unlikely friends in Oh Bom-seok, played by Hong Kyung, a fellow outcast, and in Soo-ho, the strongest fighter in school. The show's 8 episodes end with a shocking twist, but fans can look forward to season 2 coming soon on Netflix. 3. A Killer Paradox. This intense drama follows Lee Tang, a college student who accidentally finds himself involved in violence after meeting a group of thugs. Played by Choi Woo-shik, Tang struggles with guilt and questions about what's right and wrong as he deals with his past. His dream of visiting the Rocky Mountains in Canada is the only thing that keeps him going. Though the show is short and doesn't fully explore all the characters, It raises big questions about justice and the choices we make. 2. Squid Game. Squid Game became a worldwide hit for its gripping story about 456 people playing deadly childhood games to win a huge prize. The story focuses on Seong Gi-han, played by Lee Young-jae, a broke gambler and divorced dad trying to turn his life around. He competes alongside others, including his old friend Cho Sang-woo, a defector named Kang Se-byok, and an elderly man, Oh Il-nam. The players must survive brutal games while forming alliances and betraying one another. 1. Sweet Home. Based on a popular webtoon, Sweet Home follows Cha Hyun-soo, played by Song Kang, a lonely teenager who moves into an apartment building after losing his family. But things take a terrifying turn when people start turning into monsters. Trapped inside, Hyun-soo and the other residents must work together to stay alive. As they face horrifying creatures, they also confront their personal struggles. This mix of horror and emotion makes Sweet Home a standout story of survival and hope. Don't forget to share your comments, like, and subscribe for more K-drama recommendations. See you next time.